Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Gress, and today I'm going to show you the pages that you're going to be doing in your math packet for this week. Find your math packet and turn to the page that says Examining Whole Number Digit Place Values. This is right after the page with the chicken and the eggs on the top of it. This week we're just going to do 2 pages, this sheet and then the back of this sheet, which is a review on place and value. I would like you to complete these 2 pages by Wednesday of this week so that you can grade them on Thursday and you'll be ready for the quiz on place and value on Friday. So on the first page, Examining Whole Number Digit Place Values, we're going to be comparing the values of the digits in this number. So for the first one, it says the 4 in the thousands place is blank, the value of the 4 in the ones place. We're going to be comparing these by telling how many times bigger the one 4 is than the other. So we're going to write this as 10 times the value, or 100 times the value, or 1,000 times the value, and so on. So in the first number, we have 2 4s. The value of this 4 is just 4 because it's in the ones place. The value of this 4 is 4,000 because it's in the thousands place. Now, if we're comparing 4,000 to 4, we know that the 4 in the thousands place is much bigger than the value of the 4 in the ones place. And what we need to figure out is how many times bigger it is. Well, one way we can do this is we can say, what will we multiply 4 by to get 4,000? We can also look at the number of zeros on the 4,000. And hopefully you know that 4, you would have to multiply times 1,000 to get 4,000. And 1,000 also has 3 zeros in it, just like the 4,000. So the 4 in this problem, this 4 is 1,000 times the value of this 4. So in this blank, I'm going to write 1,000 times. Put a comma in there also. So I'm comparing the 4 in the thousands place to the 4 in the ones place. So I'm comparing 4,000 to 4. And this 4 is 1,000 times bigger than this 4. Now we're going to do the same thing with this one. We're going to look at the number 5,885. It has 2 5s, right here and right here. The value of the first 5 is 5,000 because it's in the thousands place. The value of the last 5 is 5 because it's in the ones place. And you'll notice that this one looks very similar to this problem. We're comparing a number in the thousands place to a number in the ones place. The 5 in the 10,000s place is how much bigger than the value of the 5 in the ones place? And you write your answer right here on the line. Go ahead and do that. And hopefully you wrote 1,000x, 1,000 times bigger. Now, if you don't have enough room to write your numbers in here, because some of them are going to be bigger than 1,000, you may write your answers over on these blanks, but if you can fit it in here, that's fine. I don't care which place you write your answer. Now, let's look at the next page, which is on the back of that page we just did. It says place and value at the top, and this is what your test is going to be over on Friday. I can name the place and value of any digit in a number through the millions and understand the relationship between place and value. All right, for the first section, name the place of the underlined digit. Use words. So, in this one, you're going to find the underlined digit and right here, what place is this in? For number 2, find the underlined digit and write here, what is the name of this place? Down here, you're going to do the same thing, except instead of naming the place, you're going to name the value. So, if we know that this is the ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s, and 1 millions, 10 millions, then I know that this 2 in the thousands place has a value of 2,000. So I would write 2,000 on this line. That's the value of the 2. All right, that's how you do these. Number 18. How many zeros are in the number 18 million? You can write down 18 million underneath here if you want to, and then count the zeros and write it right there. The bottom half is a little bit different. For this one, you do not need to write anything in these blanks. This is just where the numbers would go if you were making a big number. You do need to write in the name of this period, the name of this period, and the name of this period in these 3 blanks. And then it says, use words to name the place for each letter in the chart above and name each period above. This is where you name each period above. And down here is where you're going to write the name of the places. So, place A, right here. What is the name of this place? Hopefully you know that one. That's an easy one. That's the tens place. So you would go down here to A, and you would write tens. This is the tens place. B is all the way over here. So you're going to probably have to start here and count the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, all the way over to B. And whatever the name of this place is, you write it on the line. That's how you do these 2 pages. Make sure you understand everything in them and review this because this is what your test is going to be over on Friday.